Choosing the right travel bag can make your journey more convenient and enjoyable. In this video, we'll explore the different types of travel bags, their pros and cons, and tips on selecting the best one for your needs. Backpacks are ideal for travelers who prefer hand-free mobility. They're perfect for outdoor adventures and can be used as a carry-on luggage. Suitcases are great for organized packing. They come in hard shell and soft shell varieties with options for wheels and handles, making them easy to transport through airports. Duffel bags offer flexibility and are often more spacious. Rolling duffel bags add the convenience of wheels, while traditional ones are more lightweight and versatile. Carry-ons are essential for short trips or as an additional luggage. They fit in overhead compartments and help you avoid baggage claim delays. Durability is crucial, especially for long trips. Look for high-quality zippers, water-resistant materials, and sturdy construction. Consider how much you need to pack. A weekend getaway requires less space than a 2-week vacation. Make sure your bag meets airline size restrictions if you're flying. Wheel bags are easier to maneuver through airports, while backpacks and duffels offer more flexibility in rougher terrains. Look for bags with multiple compartments and pockets to keep your items organized and easily accessible. Match your bag to your travel style. For a city break, a suitcase might be best. For outdoor adventures, a backpack is more suitable. Always try out the bag before purchasing. Make sure it's comfortable to carry and meets your specific needs. Always check the airline size and weight restrictions to avoid extra fees. Choosing the right travel bag can enhance your travel experience. Whether you're headed on a weekend getaway or a month-long adventure, there's a perfect bag out there for you. Happy travels! If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel tips and guides.